in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Central South Carolina. The following is a special weather statement. A strong... issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hartsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hartsville, North Hartsville, Clyde, Dubsville, Oates, Lydia, Auburn, Floyd, Kellytown, Society Hill, and Carolina Pines Regional Medical Center. The following is a special weather statement. A strong